Hello, good morning, and welcome to this morning's ride. It's a beautiful blue sky, sunny Sunday morning here in Tokyo, and the temperatures are going up. It is getting hot. Today it's probably going to be about 33. It has been up to 34, so yeah, it is starting to get hot. What's the best thing, you know, when it's hot? Ice cream. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go and see if we can find some ice cream. I know 3 places, so we're going to see if we can find 3 places. First one is about 10k up there. No, maybe less than 10k. Let's go and find it, shall we? Let's go and see if we can find that ice cream. Here we go. So hot. Okay, we're pretty close to the first ice cream stop. It's just across these fields, and it's one of those buildings over there. So let's go and find it, shall we? Here we go, down this hill. Look at that greenhouse. That's a big greenhouse. I'm not sure what they're growing in there. Here we are, in a car park in Saitama. This is it, Bunmeido. It's like a cakes shop. There you go. That's the Bunmeido. Right. That's really nice. Yum, yum, yum. Well, there you go. That was Bunmeido. Soft cream, about 454 yen to eat out, which I probably should have eaten in because it melted very quickly, but it was very nice. I'm not in the market for cakes today. I'm in the market for ice cream, and now we're going to our second ice cream place up the river, an old favourite. Beep 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 boom 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 boom. Rice report, rice report. Hello, welcome to Rice Report down here on the rice fields with me, Jono Ricefields. And well, you know, I don't think it's so good. Shall we stop and have a look in person? Hang on, let me stop the bicycle and get off, and then we can have a good look. Hang on. Okay, there's the bicycle. Now look, here's the state of play. Now, I don't know about you, but that doesn't look good. I think this should be full of water. Like, it shouldn't be dry yet. It's been a very dry, rainy season so far. Like, we had about a week of rain, and then suddenly we had this kind of high pressure, pushed the rainy season front up to the north, and we haven't had any rain for like, I don't know, 10 days, so it's not good. So I think this rice, it needs water. It needs water. I've got some water with me on the bike, but I don't think it's enough for these rice plants because they need a lot. Gonna have to eat noodles. Right, onward past the rice fields and let's keep going up the river. Here we go. Okay, we made it to Enomoto. Let's get some ice cream. I have to sit. Can we sit over there? There you go. That's the second ice cream. Today this is Enomoto gelato namachoco, as always. Very creamy. Not so crowded at the moment. People coming to look at the cows. Well, there you go. That was Enomoto Dairy Farm and their very nice, very popular gelato selection. I always get the chocolate. It's good, but you know, you should vary the flavors a bit. So now we're going to go and see if we can find another one. This is not too far. I haven't been to this next one before, so we'll see if we can find it. It's a bit further up the river, not too far, maybe about 15 minutes from here, if I don't get lost, which I inevitably will, but let's try, see what we can do. Right, over this bridge. This is still the Arakawa, but it is not as big as when it gets near the sea, obviously. Yeah, I do like cycling in the heat. Running is different, but cycling, it's pretty good actually. Is it just spontaneous combustion? That they're on fire? They just burst into flame? Could be. Well, here we are in Asanoha. This is a little gelateria. It's about 20 minutes from Enomoto. Oh, this is mango. Oh, that's really nice. They open at 11, so I was the first person here. It's a little out of the way, but I can imagine a lot of cyclists would like to come here. Ah, Shinobu is a goat. Yagi. But it's not here at the moment. Well, that was nice. That was Asanoha gelato. I had the mango, which is really fruity, really good flavor. So that's, yeah, that was very good. I'm glad I found that. I found that on Google Maps, and you know, looking for somewhere in this area, and that popped up. The only minor problem was just that it didn't open till 11 AM. And you know, I'm a bit of an early riser when it comes to cycling. I like to be on the road before the sun comes up, but I just changed my schedule so I could include that, and I'm very glad I did. Top marks to Asanoha Gelateria. So now we're going to try and find our way home. That's 3 ice creams, gelatos. Could we find another one? Keep your eyes open. We're down here at the motocross. It's a hot, dusty day, and but the lads are loving it, having a great time. I'd like to get down there on the bike, but I haven't got the power. It's the Remote Control Glider Club. There's a club for everything, including cyclists. Here we go. It's group rides. And on this side, they are playing softball. People love their Sundays, eh? Don't they? People have got hobbies. Do you remember people used to have proper hobbies like remote control gliding and motocross and softball? What the hell do they do now? They just sit at home and look at TikTok. Bloody idiots. That's my 3 halfpence worth. It's true though, you know, like hobbies, people come out, they talk to friends, community of a similar interest, they connect with human beings, not just send messages. Get on with your ride, John. Okay, sorry. I'm a rambler from Manchester way. I get all my pleasure the hard Ireland way. I may be a work slave on Monday, but I am a free man on Sunday. It's true that, you know. I hope there's no snakes in here. Could be, you know. I've seen 2 snakes in the last couple of weeks. I'm looking very carefully. But look. Only the crumbliest, flakiest chocolate tastes like chocolate never tasted before. Except it was poppies, wasn't it? It wasn't whatever these are. What are these? This is the first bit of shade for thousands of kilometers under this bridge. I'm still thinking about that 4th ice cream. Where could I get the 4th ice cream? I'd rather like to find it. Let's see if we can find it. you go, another ice cream from Family Mart near Shiki. 278. Let's see what it's like. It's all right. It's not as good as the mango. Ah, a bit of a chocolate mint festival. That's the one I bought, but there's others. I feel it's chocolate mint. Chocolate mint is quite a divisive kind of flavour. Don't you think? Some people like it, some people don't. I like it. Some people think it's like, you know, toothpaste, but what do you think? Chocolate mint? Right, there you go. That was Family Mart. Chocolate mint in a little tub. It was okay. It was a bit too frozen though. So, and that was the 4th ice cream. I can't eat anymore. In fact, I'm feeling a little bit sick after 4 ice creams. That's more ice cream than I eat in a whole month. In fact, I probably only have an ice cream every month or so. I mean, I like ice cream. Who doesn't? But yeah, 4 ice creams in 4 hours is pushing it a little bit, I think. But it's art. That's better. Okay, we're nearly home. It's about 3 more kilometers. That would take me up to about 76, 77. It's getting windy. Mission accomplished. Ice cream was consumed, probably too much, but we did it. The wind is picking up. Can you hear me? This is John saying thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.